In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin starred messages on top in Gmail. This is a very handy feature if you're managing a busy inbox and want to keep your most important emails front and center. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily prioritize your starred messages, ensuring that they're always the first thing you see when you log into your Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, the essential step to pinning starred messages is accessing your settings. Head over to your Gmail inbox and look for the settings icon. It's usually located on the top right corner of your screen and looks like a small gear. Give it a click. This icon is your gateway to customizing how Gmail works for you. Once you click the settings icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the section labeled Inbox Type. This setting allows you to customize the way your emails are organized, and it's precisely where we want to be. It's important to understand that Gmail offers a plethora of ways to sort your inbox, and this flexibility is a feature that can greatly enhance your email experience. Within the inbox type options, you'll find several choices. What we want to do now is select starred first. Simply click on this option. By doing this, you're telling Gmail to prioritize starred emails above all others in your inbox. This is particularly useful if you frequently star messages you consider important or want to revisit at a later time, such as emails related to ongoing projects, important personal notes, or important reminders. Once you've clicked on starred first, watch how your inbox transforms. The starred messages immediately gravitate to the top, making them highly visible and ensuring you never miss an important follow-up. This setup minimizes the risk of essential emails getting buried under a mountain of new messages, thus enhancing both your efficiency and response times. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you now know how to pin starred messages at the top of your Gmail inbox. It's a simple change with a massive impact, particularly for anyone dealing with a high volume of daily emails. Remember, Gmail's customization options are there to help you manage your inbox in a way that makes the most sense for you, so don't hesitate to play around with different settings to find your perfect email workflow. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Gmail experience just a little bit brighter and a whole lot more efficient. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.